Up to Prime Focus, and Avan joins in with the concerns coming in on the company's London subsidiary and its profitability. Avan, what are you hearing?
Well, what we're indicating is that basically Prime Focus UK, which is a subsidiary of Prime Focus India, in which they own 65%, has issued a profit warning for FY12, saying that the profits this time around will be lower than estimates as well as lower than FY11. They have also warned that in Q1 FY13, the commercials activity this time around will be lower, as well as the broadcasting activity is likely to be lower than the analyst expectations. It's really the ripple effect of the recession which is playing out, which is why the activity will be lower this time around, and margins also are expected to see a bit of a squeeze on account of pressure building up in the production budgets. You do have the UK subsidiary, which has also planned an entire restructuring in order to reduce the costs as well as in order to minimize their cash burn. So you do have efforts being undertaken in this effect. We did, though, speak to the management of Prime Focus back home, and they did say that this is not going to really play out and not going to have too much of a detrimental effect on the overall operations, given that in Q4 FY12 they did already declare their numbers, and you do have the impact of the UK, which has already been taken into account of these numbers. They garner only 13% of their overall revenues from their UK operations, so a very minimal impact overall on the company. And we also spoke to them regarding the progress of their $150 million that they plan to raise via the ADR. That is in focus, as well as the US subsidiary. The listing of that has really been anticipated by a lot of market watchers, and they did say that that is underway. But all in all, for Prime Focus, given that they garner only close to 13% of their revenues from the UK, and they did come out with a fairly stellar set of numbers in the Q4, with the net sales were higher by 146%, and the Q4 PAT was also higher by 104%. They did say that there won't be a material impact on the company.